Hi, Jason here from TGN. Okay, so as usual, we'll be having our unboxing video. Alright, so this is one of the new videos that we'll be doing, which is on the U-LTE Pro. Okay, so let me stress again, this is the U-LTE Pro. Alright, so for this particular unit, it's unlocked, so it's not locked to any carrier, unlike the US version where it's locked to AT&T. Alright, so me being here in Singapore, I'll be showcasing it with one of the local telcos in another video. Alright, so besides the unboxing video, we will have another video where we will showcase the actual unit with the UniFi dashboard plugged in, and as usual it's powered by PoE. It's 802.03AT. Okay, so without much ado, let me show you the back, and this is brand new and I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to open it up. Okay, so let me slide it up and open it. Okay, so as I am cutting it up, okay, let me cut it up nicely and gently. Okay. Okay, let me see how we can open this. Okay, we can open this gently. Okay, alright, so let's see what's inside the box. Let me try and get it out. It's not coming out. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, it's quite a big fella. As you can see, my hands are actually quite big, and we can see that it is pretty huge. Okay, I don't have a ruler with me, so I'm not sure how tall is it, and I didn't take a look at the data sheet. So let me remove it out from its packaging. Okay, so here we have a stand. So there is a metal stand here. Okay, and there's also the screws for attachment. Okay, and there are some more attachments here. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can attach on. So let me see what else is inside. I don't think so there's anything else. No. Okay, so this is the actual unit itself. It's flat at the back, okay, as we can see. Okay, and there's the instructions and also the instructions. Okay, so basically there's a pin here for you to hook and also to put in the SIM cards. Okay, so basically there's a small little thing here, it's like the Apple. So at the bottom here where you have to poke in and put in your SIM cards. Okay, so there is a LED screen here where you will display out and show you how it looks like once it's ready. Okay, so do keep a lookout for our next video as to how we're going to install this into our dashboard and our UniFi controller, and what we will see in the system as to what are the status. Okay, so as usual, if you like a video, please remember to subscribe and also remember to click like for the video. If you have any comments, do feel free to leave it. We will definitely give you a reply. Okay, thank you very much.